Okay guys, how you doing? I'm gonna go over the parking lot manager app, and so for what I've got so far, I've had some trouble here, quite a bit of trouble. First of all, I was trying to I got stuck on the GPS, using the GPS, which for some reason I did a update location, and the GPS just it wouldn't stop. It would keep updating and keep changing the values in my app. I can't. I got past that part. I was able to get. I do have a functioning GPS. I can grab the GPS coordinates for the app. Uh, but the add parking lot part of the I can't really demonstrate this because I don't know how to. My emulator won't get any GPS coordinates, so I can't. I can show you the window. Like here's the add parking lot. Uh, Here's the add parking lot. The user enters the parking lot name, the parking hours, the cost. I left these all as strings. I didn't really specify for times or anything. I just left it as a simple string that can be put whatever they want really. They can write a word or numbers. The lot name, lot cost. Now for longitude and latitude, the user is able to enter a longitude or a latitude in either or. They can manually enter a number in, or they can click the use current position, and this will grab the GPS coordinates from the GPS sensor or from the network provider, either or. And then after that, you submit. The button right here, submit lot, will update it and send it to the cloud, the information. And the only kind of proof I can give you right now is I can take you to the cloud account here and show you. But here it is. I've sent one in. Here's a location uh, object. It created a object for location right there. And then at the bottom, these were other fields that were costs. I put 200 hours anytime, and the name of the lot I just called it A right down here. So it definitely can store the information. It can get it and store it. But where I ran into issues that I really couldn't, I hit a wall, was when I started to go to after I finished the ad, I moved on to the after that I moved on. That's finished, so that you can add the information. But when it came to editing the parking lot information, I couldn't I could not get that to edit. I don't know. I used I implemented a log cat in here. I used log. I put a log message to show that right down here I was able to go into the cloud and find the object. Like here's the object. As you can see right here, name. There's name A. That's the lot I submitted for the name. Say. So I'm able to get the information, but I cannot. I cannot. Where's my edit activity? I cannot get it to update. Like I wanted to just update the hours, and I can't get the app. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I cannot. Right here, I can't get it to just find the hours field and then change it with the information right here that I've uh that I've established. This is a string. I'm trying to feed it. It finds hours. Well, this is my last theory was put the name of the field that I'm looking for, and then change it with information, my string information, with whatever the user entered in. I've got the user interface right here. It entered a lot name, um, which is in the search query right over here. Choose which field you want to edit in the object, which is hours or cost, which is what the assignment said. And I was basically right now I'm just trying to do hours, and I couldn't get that to update. I would do submit, and everything would run fine, but it just wouldn't change the field on the cloud. So I don't know. And that's that's where I got so far. That's my wall right now that I could not get past. So uh, that's it for that. And then after after all that, after adding or editing, so the next part of my app is find the parking lot. You'd enter the radius in and click search, and it would use the cloud mines. I use what I want to use. I have intentions of the we have you can cloud mine had a I was using cloud mine's geo search. You can put in a rate. You can put in a location and set a radius, and it will return the objects that meet that criteria. As you can see right here, here it is. But I couldn't really get to that because right here there would be a what I had was a list that will display all the uh, all the parking spaces within a certain radius of your current location. I was going to use the Android GPS, but I couldn't really get to all this because I got stuck in the one part. I didn't get to update the to edit the information. I should have just skipped that and went right to this, but I wasn't thinking on that. I just wanted to get it done. But I couldn't get it. So I think pretty much that's about where I'm at right now. Um, started working on the find activity of it right here. I've started coding it out. I got some of the code. But that's that's not there yet. So that's what I got so far. That's as far as I can make it with this one. I think that's all. So thank you guys. Thank you for everything, and hope to see you later on.